Hello guys, I hope you're all doing fine. This is Lillian Manfred Mebe and welcome to my channel. This day I was leaving my sister's place. I had visited her 1 week earlier. So today I was going back to my home, or rather my place where I stay. So as you can all see, those are stairs. I can always manage stairs, especially if there is a rail. This rail, I can hold on to it and it will help me access my, it will enable me to access the place. So guys, join me as we continue with this video, and I hope you'll all enjoy this. You'll all enjoy watching it. That's my niece. She was actually accompanying me. She knows that I'm leaving. She was a little bit bored, but at least she was happy at the end of it all. So guys, enjoy watching this video and be blessed.
A daughter makes the man.
Guys, I hope you're all watching how I am walking. This place is a bit steep, and as you can all see that these organisms, or rather I can call those green things that come, especially when it's raining, sometimes they are very slippery. So I have to be very, very careful wherever I put my crutch tip. Sometimes they are very, very slippery.
Straight to my weakness, the warmth when I'm cold. You're my sunshine, the food that feeds my soul. I wanna thank you the best that I can. Being your dad has made me understand. A daughter makes the man. They made me who I am. A daughter makes the man. They made me who.
Guys, I was back home, and during that week at home, I wanted to go to town. But still on this, I have a problem with my calipers, especially this area that my thighs sit on. The leather that was there, it's already worn out. So whenever I put on that caliper, it hurts my thighs and it becomes very painful. So I had to improvise a way on how I can prevent that from hurting me. That's why I took my old stocking and wrapped it there all round. And guess what, guys? It was very, very comfortable. Very comfortable, even more than that leather that was already placed there. You see, that's how I do my DIY with my calipers. It's not all the time you go to that fundi to assist you with the repairing of your calipers.
Love you unconditionally. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the
That was on Saturday. I was undoing my hair, assisted by my daughter.
In the door, and I've been waiting so long.
Hi guys, it has been long. I hope you're all doing fine. Okay, I'm actually on my holiday, and I'm from showering. I want to prepare myself just to feel good and have a rest at home. Okay, this is one of those sunscreens I received as a giveaway from Easter Farm Limited. It was one of the giveaway I received. Actually, it's the best sunscreen, and I'm really enjoying it. Not forgetting the cream that I'm currently using on my face. Actually, this is the cream. It's from Laini Botanicals. It's shea butter and grapeseed oil. It's also a nice one. If you want it, you can check on their page, Laini Botanicals.
It's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun.
For a while I did some lines. I want to put on a wig for a while. There's a day I did some, it was some braids actually, na nywele yangu ilikatika vibaya, so for a while I'll be on wigs before I embark on doing my hair again with some hair additions.
For you has come, I want to show. The rain has been around for way too long. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, ooh. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, ooh. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
This lipstick, it was a gift. I'm just loving it.
The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh.
are my wigs, guys, and I'll check which one to put on. And I'm keeping it badly. I'm keeping it badly. I need to buy those things. Hizo za kuhold, eh? Yeah.
Go and open the door, and I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want you show. The rain has been around for way too long. 'Cause baby, like ooh, 'cause baby, like ooh, 'cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like
I'm actually using Zoe. Is it Zoe or what, guys? It is Black Essentials hair food.
I found you, the one you call. You got what I need, and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you. So why don't you come to stay?
'cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door, and I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want you show. The rain has been.
I'll get those things to hold my wigs because I don't have them. Naona nikinena ziharibu.
Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh.
I'm having this oil. It is Nazar black butter perfume oil. Nazar black butter perfume oil. It is in that group of Arabian perfumes. Guys, it's smelling nice. This one, I don't know where I'm going to get one like this, because also this one was a gift. This one. Nazar, this is the simple. Nazarfragrances.com. It smells nicely.
So long, the time for you.
So guys, I'm done. I'm actually going nowhere. I'm just in the house. I felt like I needed to do this just to feel good. You know, I've stayed at home for almost like 2 weeks, just relaxing before I go back to work. So guys, I'll talk to you later. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine. Today I ordered some mushroom. I have a friend who does that. I think she plants it. I don't know whether mushrooms are being planted or what, but what I know, she's maybe rearing. I don't know the correct terminology. She told me she has the mushrooms, and I ordered some from her. So in case you're a lover of mushrooms, I will leave her page down below so that you can reach out to her. So guys, I've been craving these mushrooms, and I'm glad that today I am going to have a taste of it. So here is the package. That's how she's packaging them all. You can see, very fresh guys. I ordered two of them, and I am just going to have them for my supper today. So this is the mushrooms. I am going to try them tonight, and definitely I will let you know how it feels. But what I know is that mushrooms are sweet. They are very sweet. So these are the packaging actually. I will leave her page there so that you can reach out to her, so that you can promote her business. She's a person with a disability. You see, she's doing an amazing job. So guys, flock there and do some orders from her. See you later guys, and thank you for watching my videos. For those ones who have not subscribed, kindly do subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram page, Lillian Manfred Mibay, and I'll talk to you next time. Thank you guys, and have a good evening.